If you had invested just $100 every month starting a few years ago, you could have thousands of dollars today. But most people never start. Not because they don't want to, but because they think investing is too complicated, too risky, or only for the rich. That ends today. Welcome to Financial Growth Code, where you learn how to grow your money, build wealth, and take control of your financial future. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Let's start simple. Investing means putting your money into something, so it can grow over time. Instead of saving money and letting it sit, you put it into assets like stocks, real estate, or funds. And over time, those assets increase in value. That's how people build wealth. Here's where things get powerful. Compound interest. It means your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. Over time, it grows faster and faster. That's why starting early is more important than starting big. Most people think they need a lot of money to invest. That's not true. You can start with as little as $10, $50, or $100. What matters is consistency. Even small investments done regularly can grow into something big. Now let's talk about where to invest. As a beginner, keep it simple. Start with index funds, ETFs, well-known companies. These are safer and more stable. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes, random crypto hype, anything you don't understand. Here's a simple plan you can follow. Step 1, learn the basics. Step 2, choose a trusted app. Step 3, start small. Step 4, invest consistently. Step 5, be patient. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about building real wealth over time. Let's talk about mistakes. Most beginners fail because they wait too long, follow hype, panic when prices drop, expect quick results. The truth? Successful investors stay calm and think long-term. Here's what you need to understand. Investing is not a shortcut. It's a system. The earlier you start, the easier your future becomes. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Start small. Stay consistent. Think long-term. That's the code to financial growth. Subscribe to Financial Growth Code and take control of your money starting today.